All right, so the Chicago lyrics go Saturday in the park. I think it was the 4th of July. And there's this meme on Facebook that says like that only happens once every 35 years, and that's just freaking impossible. So here we go, 7/4/1965. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to a long date so we see the day of the week. So that was a Sunday. All right, great enough. Make it a little bit wider to handle Wednesdays and things like that. I'm going to right click on the fill handle. I'm going to drag down about 70 years. And when I let go, I'm going to choose fill years, right? What a great way to fill years, right? And they're saying that here we are in 2026 and it's falling on a Saturday, and that hasn't happened for, I don't know, what does the meme say? 35 years. It's just freaking insane. So weekday, we're going to use, there's two things we can do here. Equal text of this, comma, in quotes, DDDD, which in this case is giving us a Sunday. Double click to drag the fill handle down. And the question is, how many of these, thanks Mary Ellen Jellin, Mrs. Excel.
Love you.
Love you too. How many of these,
4th of July.
Happy 4th of July, Mary Ellen says. How many of these fell on a Saturday, right? I don't think it's as rare as people think it is. All right, so here we are in 2026. It last happened just 6 years ago in 2020, thanks to a leap year. And okay, fine, it's happening again in 2037, but that's only 11 years from now. So we're missing one due to a leap year. So it really just is not that rare in my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just a ton of times. Hey, happy 4th of July, everyone. Hope you have a great barbecue today. Thanks for watching.